ba Bombay naman? Ah, okay, may icon. Okay to. They have dancing lights, oh. We're on a river cruise here in Bangkok. Ba't ka naman? Wait kami, tiktinikuan. So we're leaving, no?
Kukuha na nila ako niyan.
Sige, okay. Hindi na maubos yun eh. So this buffet dinner. So far the facilities better. Tanungin natin si Prexy Edwin. When was the last time that you had a river cruise?
In 19...
More than a decade ago?
I think it's 2020.
So right now, way better, no?
Yeah, way better. We have a lot of new buildings, a lot of road network.
So even the infrastructure, yung skyline, ang ganda pala, oh.
Yep.
No? Tingnan mo.
We have a very nice view for Starbucks coffee area.
How many times ka na ba, Prexy Edwin, dito na you visited Bangkok?
I think it's my third time.
Third time? Okay. Pareho. Kami ata parang fourth or fifth time na.
But then, better now.
Better na. Ang ganda nga, oh.
Pati yung dock area is really nice.
Port area nila. Dati kasi parang...
I think nung nandito kami, naayos na.
Maganda din yung...
Ano rin sila sa Hong Kong.
good decision din pala na pumunta tayo. Then, buffet. Ano, ang ganda. Ano yung what from a traveler standpoint, ano yung best na ma-advise mo na biyahe here in Thailand?
Thailand?
Kung ikaw tanungin.
Ako, pupunta ka sa Thailand to buy really cheap dress.
More or less parang mga shopping.
Shopping.
Ang ganda pala nung ganda the structure.
Yung sa akin kasi Japan ang talagang safer and quiet lang. Kanina nga sa loob ng merong nag-check ng police na vehicle.
Dito?
Kanina, please check your things.